Hello everybody, my name is Baz, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to speed up your MT4 on a Mac. You can do this on MT5 as well. I believe you can do this on Windows as well, but if your MT4 is lagging, follow these steps and you will be able to rectify that problem. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. First we'll open our MT4. What you want to do right now is limit the amount of data that that your program is running, and the way you do that, you go to Tools and you go to Options. Open Options. Here you click on Charts and you will find your maximum bars in history there, right there, and maximum bars in charts right there. What you want to do is reduce these. You only need this if you're backtesting. Go ahead and reduce this maybe to 1,000. Reduce that to 1,000, both of them. Once you do that, you close out of there, you press OK, you close out of there. Next thing I want you to do is open your data folder. Go to File, open your data folder, and once this is open, I want you to go to Logs. You see it right here. Double click on Logs. What you want to do right now is delete the logs you don't need. In here, you're gonna leave the meta editor. Do not delete the meta editor, and do not delete your current date. If you look at this, that's the current date. On that, you want to keep that. So let's go ahead and delete what we don't need. So all three of them right now, just delete that. I want you to open your MQ4, go to Logs, and delete the top ones except the current one. You see the date. You look at date and then you see your current one. For me, this is my current one right here, and I'll delete the rest. Go ahead and delete the rest. You don't need all of that. Delete. Go back. You go back again and you go to History. History, what you see in history is your broker. You see your demo file and your live file. If you have a live account, you see delete that and delete that. Now those are the only things you delete in history. Go back, restart your MT4 and you will be good to go. If this was helpful, I'd like to hear it. So leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos. Till the next time, thanks for watching.